Welcome to this lesson on asking and answering about well-being. In this video, you will learn essential phrases used in everyday conversations when people ask how you are doing. By the end, you will be confident having these common exchanges in English. Let's start with the most common questions. How are you? Is the most basic and frequently used phrase. How's it going? Is more informal and friendly, perfect for casual situations. How have you been? Is used when you haven't seen someone for a while. These three questions are the foundation of starting conversations. When someone asks how you are and things are going well, you can respond with "I'm good, thanks." This is simple and friendly. For more enthusiasm, say "I'm doing great." To sound polite and complete, use "pretty well, thanks for asking." These responses show you are doing well and acknowledge their question. Sometimes you want to be honest without being too negative. "I've been better" suggests you are struggling but not falling apart. "Not great," to be honest, shows you are being genuine about challenges. "I'm dealing with a lot right now" allows you to open up about what is happening in your life. These responses invite deeper conversation. If you are going through a tough time, use these phrases. "I've been better" hints that things are not perfect. "Not great," to be honest, is direct and genuine. "I'm dealing with a lot right now" lets people know you need support. Being honest about struggles helps build real connections with others. Let's see how these phrases work in real exchanges. In the first example, person A asks, "How are you?" And person B responds, "I'm doing great, thanks for asking. How about you?" Notice person B turns the question back. In the second example, person A asks, "How have you been?" And person B answers, "Pretty well, busy with work but can't complain." Always remember to ask the other person how they are doing too. Here are important tips for success. Always ask back with "How about you?" to keep the conversation going and show genuine interest. Be genuine in your answers. People appreciate honest responses more than just saying "I'm fine." Listen actively to what others say and ask follow-up questions. Finally, use a warm and friendly tone. Your tone matters as much as your words, so sound natural, not robotic. You now have all the tools you need to ask and answer about well-being in English. Practice these phrases naturally in your conversations. Remember that every conversation is a chance to improve. Start using these expressions today and watch your confidence grow. Good luck.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.